That's the ugliest thing I ever saw.
He's no harm.
The first time
What is that? Is it that man?
ever I saw your face, I thought the sun rose
No. He's gonna kill all of us.
in your eyes.
You're all gonna die.
Fright Fest continues with the Texas Chainsaw Massacre double bill. Starts tonight at 11:15 on Film 4.